Best 10 Tiny House Rentals on Airbnb. There are plenty of fantastic reasons to consider tiny house rentals for your next vacation. Perhaps most significantly, renting a micro-lodge can make an already exciting getaway feel even more adventurous, simply because it's something different. With innovative design and unique decor maximizing even the smallest of spaces, tiny home rentals are a travel trend that it can't help but get behind. What they lack in square footage they often make up for in environmental conservation, since they require little heat and electricity. Plus, because of their size, they are usually situated in areas where houses otherwise can't be built, like remote forests or beaches. Whether you want to stray from your usual vacation rental just for fun or you're interested in purchasing a tiny home of your own one day, here are 10 amazing tiny houses across the country to consider. Number 1. Enchanted Tiny Tower nestled in the Berkshires. Whimsical and romantic tower on the Santarella estate in the heart of the Berkshires. Live out your own fairy tale in this 2-story unique tiny home. First floor offers 3 rooms in one with kitchenette, sitting area, and dining room looking out onto the babbling brook. Upper bedchamber with canopied bed provides amazing views of sky and trees through masted mill windows. Perfect destination for a relaxing getaway or special stay while exploring all the Berkshires has to offer. Inside this French country-inspired 350 square feet tiny tower, you can relax on the sofa, cook a full meal in the kitchenette, and dine or play games at the table with window bench seating overlooking the brook. Kitchenette is equipped with Ninja Foodie, induction cooktop, and microwave perfect for a night in or preparing a snack prior to going out for an amazing local farm-to-table meal. Full bathroom with walk-in showers downstairs. Climb the spiral stairs to the tower bedchamber, where you'll find a canopied queen bed with views out to the pond and forest from large mill windows, perfect for stargazing at night. A tall armoire for storage and rocking chair complete the room. Fall asleep to sounds of the babbling brook. The enchanted tiny tower is situated on 4 acres including lovely gardens, beautiful lily pond, stone bridges, a running brook, stone bench seating area with cheminea, and wooded area. Absolutely unique, a storybook experience for up to 2 quests. Number 2. Big Island Tiny Home hosted by Gardwell Farm. Your Hawaiian vacation starts on the slopes of Wailea. Sleep in a cozy tiny home and wake up to the relaxing sounds of nature, all just 15 minutes from Kona. Enjoy snorkeling and exploring in breathtaking West Hawaii, then catch a not-to-be-missed Kona sunset from your spacious, private lanai. The tiny home sits on a lush 5-acre gated property with coffee, avocado, and citrus growing on site. Enjoy the private bedroom, full-size tub, and fully equipped kitchen. This tiny home has more space than most one-bedroom apartments. Sleep 6 with queen-size bed and master and double beds and lofts. Great for those wanting to enjoy all that the Big Island has to offer. Enjoy the warm beaches during the day and end the evening with a beautiful view and a gorgeous Kona sunset. Eat dinner on the lanai, and then relax in the hot tub while gazing at the stars. The tiny home sits on a 5-acre coffee farm. Strolling paths and a footbridge will take you through the citrus and banana trees. There is a shared laundry facility as well as a hot tub. Number 3. Off-the-grid A-frame cabin at the Hohnstead. Reconnect to nature at this transforming, off-the-grid, pet-friendly forest oasis. Surround yourself with tranquility and wildlife as you enjoy this secluded and photogenic cabin, which was featured by Airbnb. Shared areas include solar outdoor shower, scavenger hunt, access to hot tub, bathrooms, kitchen, Wi-Fi. All are 1-minute walk away. If you're looking for a quiet, quaint, magical reprieve in the beautiful Montana wilderness, this is your place. The A-frame is off the grid, and there are certain concessions that we make in order to live on such a beautiful piece of property as this. Solar shower facility is available and depends largely on the weather conditions. It is outdoors, which means that the chevalier heats up from the sun. You must be flexible as the sunshine and the weather dictate your ability to take a shower. The bathroom requires a short 1-minute walk to an enclosed outdoor bathroom. In the commons area, there is a shared kitchen with a fridge, stove, oven, BBQ, as well as Wi-Fi, local info, games, and books. The night sky is full of stars like you've never seen before. Bring your camera to this picturesque spot. Number 4. Off-grid Inn. Our house is the perfect retreat for couples, individuals, or groups of friends looking for an easy, relaxing vacation in nature. Our cabin is designed to immerse you in the forest of Wisconsin without sacrificing the comforts of home. cabin can sleep 2 adults very comfortably in the queen bed and 1 adult comfortably on the benches. They want to encourage guests to cook meals in the tiny cabin because they think it is a fun, unique experience. They also want it to be known that this is not your traditional home kitchen, and there may be a few limitations. The burners work well, but they can take a little longer to heat up. They provide a bathroom that doesn't require you to leave the tiny house. It has an electric toilet which uses an automatic waste wrapping system. 1 parking spot veering off to the right, about 50 feet from the house. Number 5. The Bermuda, unique tiny home with lakefront view. This charming home welcomes you to Florida with tropical flair. The bright and spacious interior is designed with top-of-the-line, high-end materials, giving your tiny house a feel of homey comfort. Steps from the lake, it's the perfect Florida getaway. Your tiny house stay won't be a tiny experience. Relax and unwind. Enjoy sunrise yoga by the lake and explore the natural beauty of Orlando. The Bermuda comfortably sleeps 3 adults. With a sleeping loft for 1 child or 2 tiny ones, this home is one of their community's best for families visiting Orlando's many attractions. One of the Bermuda's best features is its full kitchen. A tiny house with stovetop and oven makes it perfect for preparing meals for short or long stays. Another feature is its large bathroom, for a tiny house that is. Feel free to use anything in the house, and of course, please treat everything with respect. Number 6. The Shack Attack in Joshua Tree. Located in a remote and secluded corner of North Joshua Tree, the Shack Attack was completely rebuilt from a concrete slab and bare studs. Although the interior space is just less than 500 square feet, this small home features every amenity you would expect from homes double or triple in size. As you enter the space, you are greeted by custom-made wall art and in-floor planter that embraces the outdoors within. Turning the corner, you reach the cozy studio-style living space, including a cozy and comfortable seating area with sofa and 2 large floor poofs, a full-scale kitchen including fridge, stove, and sink set in custom-made concrete countertops. Opposite of the seating area is a large sleeping space with king-sized bed. The bathroom features a large walk-in shower, sink made of repurposed material from the original home, and a large modern custom-made floor mirror. The Shack Attack features a carefully curated selection of vinyl to complete your remote desert experience. If streaming music or posting your favorite Instagram picture is important, the Shack Attack also offers unlimited Wi-Fi internet. And finally, the space is heated and cooled by a centrally located, state-of-the-art heating and cooling system, so you will know that no matter what the elements bring, you will be comfortable and cozy inside. Number 7. Hudson Valley Tiny Home with Firepit. Sleep staring at stars in wine country, just 90 minutes from NYC, but a world away. Rolling hills give total privacy and isolation as glass walls open up onto endless views of vineyards, orchards, and wildlife. Modern comforts mean you don't have to give anything up. This is a truly special place, and many find it surprising that it can exist so close to New York. With all sorts of wildlife coming within inches of the house, this is a truly immersive experience into nature. But despite its small size and isolated location, it is surprisingly luxurious on the inside. Number 8. Unique modern tiny house. Experience tiny living without giving up all the comforts of home. Relax in this charming 2-bedroom, 1-bath designer tiny house loaded with all the amenities. Nestled in a beautiful fenced-in backyard and super close to the hottest restaurants, shops, and activities, including Ponce City Market, Krog Street Market, and of course the Beltline. Easy access to the airport and major roadways and walking distance to public transportation. Come find out what tiny living is all about. This beautiful designer tiny house is packed with farmhouse charm and modern style. Bright, airy, and wrapped in shiplap. 2 queen-size beds. 1 in the private first-floor bedroom and 1 in the upstairs loft, complete with a full kitchen and a beautiful full bathroom. Hang out at the large farm table, play ping pong, or have a fire in the solo stove fire pit. The tiny house comes fully stocked with everything you need, including high-speed internet, hairdryer, iron, games, washer, Netflix, YouTube TV, etc. Number 9. Nuggets Tiny Home. Get away to Nuggets Tiny Home on Wheels in Paradise. Located 4 miles from the Nisqually entrance to Mount Rainier National Park and nestled in a small forested neighborhood filled with animal and plant life. 1 queen-size bed, couch, full kitchen, full bathroom, AC, plus outdoor patio with fire pit. First-class tiny home living in a wonderful setting. A large patio area with fire pit and lots of firewood. Great deck with live edge bar top. A growing green wall full of hops, flowers, and ivy to ensure your privacy. Abundance of birds, deer, and other wildlife. Large Douglas firs looming overhead. Less than 1 mile from the beautiful Nisqually River. Bluetooth speaker and outdoor patio lights for unforgettable evenings. Despite being a tiny home, it features a full kitchen range with oven and stovetop, microwave and coffee maker, refrigerator, queen-size bed, large couch, big TV, and full-size bathroom. AC washer combo. Board games, excellent water. The tiny home also features recommendations for food and hikes in the area. Number 10. Lagoon Tiny Home. The tiny home offers perfect views to the lagoon and the grounds of the resort. There's a sofa that turns into a Murphy queen bed, plus a second-level sleeping loft with a queen bed, a TV that raises and lowers with 600 built-in game system, a full-size shower, fully equipped kitchen. Free tickets to Timbavati Wildlife Park included with your stay. This property has a 2-night minimum stay. Exclusive access to the Dell's only natural lagoons. On property 2 indoor pools, 2 indoor hot tub, outdoor hot tub. We hope you enjoyed this teaser list of tiny houses you can stay in on Airbnb. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.